Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video I just quickly want to talk about Bitcoin and is Bitcoin finally heading towards 4,200. This is a blog post I wrote and published a couple of hours ago, and this blog post I just talk about Bitcoin being at 4,000 and should retest the 4,200 level and come back down again. We should find resistance at the 4,200 price level. And also another thing that I explain in this blog is why this week is very important for Bitcoin. So let's quickly jump into the charts. If you can see here what's happening with Bitcoin, you would see I'm using Coinbase, the exchange, Bitcoin US pair on the hourly chart. And if you can see on the hourly chart today, volume has been picking up quite a bit for Bitcoin. Bitcoin went from 4,015, 16 roughly to touching 4,100 and having found a bit of resistance there. If we can just move out a bit and look what is happening, let's go to the daily chart. We can see where the resistance lies. So we're looking at this 4,200 level, and this 4,200 level has been acting as resistance for Bitcoin this whole year and in the beginning at the end of last year. And what I am expecting to see Bitcoin is going to do is touching 4,200, retracing back to 4,000, the 4,000 level again, and then only with the volume break above this 4,200 level. And then the next levels we can see is all the way from 5,000, 500, 5,800. So that would be quite good for Bitcoin and all the people that are believing in Bitcoin and actually are bullish on Bitcoin. And I am one of them. But the one thing that I state in this blog post is why this week is very important for Bitcoin. Now, a lot of people would suggest that Bitcoin being in a bear market for over 400 days would turn around at this moment. Like the current cycle has found its bottom and can go up again, and the cycle is turning into a bullish cycle again. And yes, there is debates going on with, about that. And then other people that don't actually worry about Bitcoin would just say it's been going down for a long time, or it can't go any lower than it has been going at the moment, or has had a 3,200 level bottom. So this is the bottom. We don't have to worry about what's going to happen. Bitcoin's just going to go up. Well, I'm not one of those people, but one of the indicators that I am looking at the moment, if we can quickly go to the weekly chart of Bitcoin, you'd see what a chart. Let's just quickly get rid of those lines so that we can look at this better. So I'm using the moving average, the 21 weekly moving average. And if you can see here, this indicator, quite a popular indicator among technical traders. This is the first week in 34 weeks that we are above and have the potential to close above this indicator. And what would happen essentially if we can close above this indicator and sustain another week above this indicator, that would be a signal for Bitcoin returning to a bullish movement or a bull market. That for me is far more important than what our opinions say about the market or what we feel about Bitcoin. I am bullish on Bitcoin, and I think Bitcoin is going to change many lives in the next couple of years. But this indicator for me is definitely the most important one. If we can sustain a close above this, which is a 4,010 level, if we can sustain a close above this, and next week as well above the 4,010 level, that would signify a bullish return. So that's all that I have in this video today. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video.